Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to add GIF in Elementor. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So here we can see I opened my page in Elementor, and now I'm going to click on this new section, and I'm taking a blank section from here and click on this widget and drag this image here. And now click on choose image, upload image, select files. So here's a GIF file. I'm selecting this one, and then click on insert media, and here you can see GIF has been added. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.